Hi everybody, Alex Employee here from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the power of compounding together with broker bonuses. And this is all about helping traders make better trading decisions. Now this all started today when there was quite an interesting discussion on our forum about lot sizing, risk, returns on that risk, and those kind of things. And that brought out the whole discussion about broker bonuses and compounding. So let's have a look at compounding. Compounding refers to when a trading account starts, for instance, with $1,000 balance, and a trading goes well, and then the traders often adjust the position sizing to match the current trading balance. So that's a compounding approach. For instance, a trader starts with one lot position sizing, trading a $1,000 account. The account goes up to $2,000. It would be reasonable for the trader to then start using two lots in their position sizing, as the risk will be the same, but the account has doubled. That's a background to compounding. And then the other aspect that we're going to look at is broker bonuses. Now, I actually used AI, and the AI response was Forex broker bonuses are promotional incentives used to attract and retain traders. They are typically in the form of extra trading capital. So they actually add equity to your account, and they're normally a percentage which is added to your deposit. And here we see an example of one, and I have an exclusive arrangement with Exclusive Markets, and they provide my clients with a 30% bonus. So if you put $1,000 in a standard account there, you get $1,300 to trade. Simple as that. And how you get that is once you've joined Exclusive Markets. So there's a two-stage process. Firstly, you join Exclusive Markets, then you open your accounts. So you join. When you join, this is your membership page, and then you go down to promotions on your membership page, and you click on 30% trading booster. Once you've clicked on there, you open your account, and you'll get 30% credited to your account immediately. For more information, just click on this QR code or this link. The clickable version of this link will be in the description of the video, as well as in the commentary of the video, as well as appearing up here on the top right hand side of the slide. Now, before we move on, I must just say that what I'm going to be showing you are theoretical Excel calculations. Trading is generally very dangerous, and you can lose all your money if you don't know what you're doing. Historical results are not a guarantee of future results. So here we have an account that's been running for well over a year. It generates 5% a month. It's had a return of almost 100%. It soon will, and you can see the consistency of this account. And now why I show you this is that I'm going to be showing you some calculations that are based on this type of trading. So let's have a look at a very basic calculation. The calculation, and these are all months, so it goes down in months. And let's say you start with $1,000, you'd make a 5% return, which we've seen that account does a 5% monthly return. What will happen is your account at the end of the month will go up to $1,050. You then start the next month with that, but you change your lot sizing. So your lot sizing then goes up by that a gain of 5%, and your gain therefore increases, and the balance at the end of the month is actually a lot higher, and it goes on like that. So as your balance increases, you increase your lot sizing. That is what we call compounding. And you can see every month the income goes up because you're compounding and compounding. And at the end of the year, you have made a 80% return on your $1,000. It's almost $800. So that's how compounding works. And that's how that account that you've just looked at has the potential of generating that kind of return. Now let's have a look at what happens if you get a broker bonus. So here we now have the account plus a bonus. Same thing, 5% return, and we're now calculating on a different basis because now we have 1,300 in our account. Our monthly income has increased tremendously and it goes up, and the same thing happens. So the end of the month balance goes there, the lot sizing increases, the monthly income increases, and it goes on so on until the end of the year. You have made $1,000 gain on essentially $1,000 worth of your own money, but it would be 80% return on your 1,300. Same return, much bigger dollar value. So that shows you the benefit of a broker's bonus. You have earned, let's have a look, that's about 800, and this was about 1,000. So you've earned over $200 extra by merely opening an account with a bonus. Now we're throwing around this 5% a month figure, and what I need to do is I need to peg in some reality into this, because we have a trading robot called the Daily Scalper that is producing really good results, and it isn't just one or two accounts. We've got a lot of accounts showing really stable and good results, and I'm going to show you those results as we go through. So let's do that. I'm going to scroll down, and we'll go down to the settings section, because we also supply you with the settings. So these results all have settings. If you click on those, it takes you to the settings that are being used, and it takes you into the FX Blue further analysis. And these accounts, not all, but most of them, are linked to the exclusive markets social trading copy service. So you can actually just copy the trading from these results through that service. But let's have a look at the result, because that's really what it's all about. So here's a scalper that's been going for about 4 months, and 5% return, 5% return, 4 months, 4 months, 5% return. These ones haven't done that well, 4% and 2%. But you can see generally this technique generates around about 5%. Then we look at some live accounts. Now those were the black box settings, which are standard ones that we provide for non-technical traders. Then we have live account settings. Again, we provide the settings and links to the linking service. And here you can see a slight increase, 11%, 5%, 7% there, 5%, 9%, 7%, 9%, 4%, 5%, 6%, and 5%. So the monthly return of 5% is not that unrealistic at all. But let's have a look at some other accounts that are doing well. So we then go to the gold settings, and here's where again we have some really good results. Here we have 40% return, 50% return, 20% return, 50% return, 40% return, and 20% return on gold. So suddenly the 5% jumps if you use something like gold, and you can see these accounts have traded quite a reasonable length of time, and there are even more of these accounts that you can have a look at. So just coming back to those calculations, 5% is a reasonable return, but you can actually push higher if you're using different instruments. So let's have a look at what happens if you use different instruments. Okay, so now we're saying, okay, instead of 5%, we're going to use 10%. So 10%, if you then compound it with the bonus, you compound it, you will generate $2,700 worth of income, a 200% return on your on that amount of money, but it's actually a lot higher if you take it that you've only put in $1,000. So that account has gone from 1,300 to 4,000 on a 10% return. So what a lot of people are doing is those 5% return accounts are reasonably well traded, and all they do is they double their lots and they get to 10%. That's one way of doing it. Or you can go and look at those gold accounts and even downscale them, because they are producing even much more than 10%. So let's go to the extreme. Let's say you do go to gold and you find a few accounts that on average generate 15%. And again, you're looking here at the same process happening on a compounded basis. Now you're looking at taking your $1,000, remember you started with $1,000, and making a profit on that $1,000 of $5,600. That is an increase on your account to almost $7,000. So you can see how important these percentages are, how important the bonus is, and how important compounding is. And I hope you found this video interesting. It has been an educational video, just giving you some food for thought. But the actions you can take out of this is you can go and find broker bonuses. Here is one that you can do that is on offer exclusively to expert Forex clients, and you get all kinds of other benefits by using the expert Forex account manager who manages all expert Forex clients. Furthermore, go and have a look at the expert scalper. You might want to rather self-trade and use the EA and generate these fantastic results. As I've shown you, we do give you the settings that are used in these accounts, plus the ability to copy accounts that are trading this EA. As always, links to anything mentioned in this video will be in the first comment of the video as well as in the description of the video. Now, I hope you've learned something about the power of combining compounding together with broker bonuses and accounts that generate robust results. If you have any questions, please mention them in the commentary of this video. And from me, Alex Aploy, cheerio. Just a quick disclaimer, this video has been made as an educational, entertaining and informative video for its viewers. It is not personal advice, and what works for some traders might not work for you. Please consult your financial advisor before trading. Trading is very risky and you can lose all your capital. It is not a get-rich scheme. Past results do not guarantee future results. There is no guarantee of easy success or good results in Forex trading. You cannot achieve the same results in the future by simply copying strategies and settings used by other traders in the past.